HACCP plans got you feeling lost? Stay tuned to discover tips to maintain and update your HACCP program. Hi, I'm Felicia, your go-to food safety consultant. Today, we're diving into essential tips for maintaining your hazard analysis and critical control points, or HACCP program. Keeping your HACCP plan up to date is not just a one-time task, it's a continuous commitment to food safety. Let's kick off with Tip number 1, regular reviews. Make it a habit to review your HACCP plan annually, or whenever there's a significant change in your process or ingredients. This helps in identifying any new potential hazards that could arise. Tip number 2, employee training. Ensure all staff are well trained on your HACCP plan. This isn't just a box-ticking exercise. Well-informed employees are your first line of defense against food safety issues. Tip number 3, accurate record keeping. Document everything, from monitoring HACCPs to corrective actions taken. Keep thorough records to trace any issues back to their root cause. Good documentation also helps during audits. Tip number 4, validation and verification. These two steps are crucial. Validation ensures your control measures are effective, whereas verification confirms that your system works as intended. Conduct regular tests and audits for this purpose. Tip number 5, stay updated with regulations. Food safety regulations can change, so it's essential to stay informed about new laws or guidelines affecting your industry. Still feeling overwhelmed? That's perfectly normal. HACCP can be complex, but you don't have to tackle it alone. Need help reviewing and updating your HACCP plan? I can assist in writing and revising your HACCP plan to fit your needs perfectly. Book a strategy call with us or call us directly at 1-236-513-2488. Let's make your HACCP program as robust and effective as possible. Don't miss out on more food safety tips and insights. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Until next time, I'm Felicia, here to make your food operations safer and compliant.